Hi, baby lovers. Welcome to Baby's Kitchen. My name is Bibiana, and today I'm going to show you how to make this obongo bitter leaf soup with a dash of egusi and water leaf. The Akwa Ibom way. This soup is not just nutritious, okay? It's extremely delicious. The year we say the soup with the enter water. The soup where we say when you eat it, your blood go dey pump. Now be this one I will show you. So make I take on a tray. Already I don't steam my poroko, my assorted meat plus goat meat, my dry fish, removable periwinkle, diced pomo. When your meat done soft, come add water leaf. My water leaf I dey always cut am for house, I dey wash am for house because I no want sand. The one thing I take like about Calabar food be say we dey take time dey cook am. Okay, we dey take time to prepare all of our ingredients because we no want sand, we no want anything. Yeah, we go affect the taste of the food. So wash your water leaf well, slice am, then come turn and put inside the mix. Mix am well, add pepper, allow the thing to boil out. Come go in with your extremely fresh and good palm oil. Emphasis on better quality palm oil. Palm oil na they make soup sweet or make it no sweet. Na palm oil. So when you don't add your palm oil, give them another mix. Add your crayfish. If you want to put your extra pomo, maybe removing periwinkle. I be want put your dry fish now. If you still put it now. But me, I've been boil my dry fish and stockfish together after wash so that the season for the meat water could penetrate inside well. You understand? Now wait to make me add them there. So I'm giving her now step by step on how to make this food. This will be the first one where I'm going to drop for this social media like this, right? Very soon we'll go start today, do catering school for those people who want to learn online. So when you don't add your crayfish, give them another mix. If it test now for your salt, test now for your pepper, whether your pepper catch. See the quantity of the palm oil I put. See as the thing just they blend. You notice I never add any shrimp water. Test now for everything, whether everything they bake. If everything they can pay, if you cover them, allow the oil to done for some time. But if the thing is never complete, maybe you still need small salt again. If you go in, as I test this my own, the salt never enter. So now I add another salt for the food. So I'll come mix them. Mix them well. When they mix your food, they mix them with love. You get what they try talk. Mix them with love. Take your time. I not perceive the onions what I want, and I need that onions flavor, that aroma, make it they hit my nose. So I don't dice onions again. Put the one where I put take blend the meats, but I parboil the meats. It don't catch the way I want. So I go in with extra onions to give it another fresh taste. Come mix them well. Turn them well. Turn on like say yes now your pot of soup with love. Test and now come cover them. Allow the thing to boil. You understand? Meanwhile, when this one on the cook, when you don't boil out small, if you can't go in with your washed bitter leaf. This bitter leaf now fresh one, no. I wash them for house. I wash them by myself, so I don't wash all the bitterness. When you want to wash your bitter leaf, if you try them with salt, if you put them for mortar, pound them first. Come wash them where take your time, wash bitter leaf. When you don't wash all the bitterness come out, waiting to remain in a small sweetness. Bitter leaf they remind me of the story of life. You go first test the bitterness for you to get the sweetness out of it. As this soup be like this now, if you chop and finish, come drink water. Your throat will use this sweet you. Anyway, once you don't put your bitter leaf, mix some. Put small water when you notice it's too dry. Just add water. I added a little bit of water. Then I give it a mix. I test them again to make sure that everything they can pay. As everything done they can pay now. never do me, so I go in with my seasoning. I use no chicken, no cube seasoning for this one. Normal, they use Maggi crayfish, but for today I don't get Maggi crayfish. If you still use any seasoning of your choice, you understand? So me, I use Maggi no cube for here. I added 4 because I don't really put Maggi for the meat, so me no come too much plus salt. Give them another mix. When the thing don't boil out again, when the thing don't boil out, you notice say the color don't come out. They say the difference between this oil and another oil for market. This one blend. This one give the soup color. You understand? It give the soup color. Now everything don't feel blend now. If you can go in with your dash of egusi. You understand that kind of thing? When you don't put your egusi finish, if you can cover am, make the thing boil out. This time everything don't catch. Everything catch. But with the number of people I get for house, I will still need to add more water. So now I turn more egusi. Going with your egusi, when you don't put your egusi, not to turn am on. If you leave it like that, just cover am like that. The thing don't boil. See the way it don't boil. See the egusi, see the oil. Don't give them a mix. Once you don't turn now well, test your egusi done, oil done. Food is ready. Voila! You have just made a different types of bitter leaf soup. They are Bible way. This one is not that common. So even if you want to eat egusi, you have a dash of egusi plus bitter leaf plus water leaf. You know what water leaf they do for body? The wash system, bitter leaf, the wash system. You can add small egusi to it. This one is paradise. This one I go cook for your husband when you say if you chop finish, you just a sleep from a long day. My soup done ready. Me as it is now, I don't already buy my fufu. I go take swallow the thing. By this time the aroma don't fool the kitchen. Don't fool everywhere, all your nose will don't fool. Normally when I cook, I need a green chop because the taste don't fool my nose. But you see this particular food, I chop a more. Chop 2 wrap of fufu on top this. It's very delicious, easy to make, very nutritious, and guess what? It's very affordable too. So my soup done ready. Don't join me. If you choose your own swallow, if you eat that with pounded yam, if you eat that with garlic, if you eat that with wheat, if you eat that with semo, if you even eat that with plantain flour. You understand? If you eat that with anything you want. But me, the me yam that me yam, as I am that me yam right now, a fufu that makes sense well for this food. See my fufu, serve am, and then I will not join me. In fact, I come back. I go chop finish. Thank you, baby lovers. I will see you on my next video. Please repost, share, like, and comment on this video. Support my small hustle, please. Bye bye.